Cash App is a payment app that lets users send, receive, and manage money directly from a phone, but daily use depends on how well you protect your account. By the end, you'll know what Cash App does well, where the risks come from, and the steps that make everyday use safer. Cash App is designed for quick payments between people, which makes it convenient for things like splitting bills, sending money to family, or paying someone back. The same speed that makes it useful also means you need to pay attention to security settings and account activity. One of the biggest safety factors is your account protection. Use a strong password, enable available security features, and avoid sharing private account information with anyone who contacts you unexpectedly. Cash App does not remove the risk of scams. A payment app can process a transaction, but users still need to verify who they are sending money to before approving a payment. If someone asks you to send money for a prize, refund, investment opportunity, or urgent request, treat it as a warning sign. Another important point is that Cash App is not the same as a traditional bank account. It can provide payment features, but users should understand how money storage, transfers, and protections work before making it their only financial tool. For daily use, the safest approach is to keep your account organized. Review your transaction history regularly, update your security settings, and only send payments to people or businesses you trust. You should also be careful with customer support scams. Scammers often pretend to represent financial apps and ask for passwords, verification codes, or account access. Real support channels do not need your private login information to help with basic account issues. Cash App can be a practical tool for everyday payments when you use it carefully. The main risks usually come from scams, weak account security, and sending money without confirming the recipient. Before using Cash App every day, check your security settings, understand how payments work, and keep your account information private. The key points are simple. Cash App is convenient for quick payments. Safety depends on your account habits, and careful payment decisions matter more than the app itself. If this helped you understand whether Cash App is safe for daily use, like the video, and subscribe for more simple app and money breakdowns.